Hello, my name is Fiston. Now we are going to be in class session which talking about mathematics algebra. Now we have different questions that we are going to solve. We have the first one, which is simplify, the second one, factorize completely, and solve the equation. So let us start. The first question is to simplify a given problem which have 2 factorize x plus 3y bracket minus 3 bracket of 4x minus 2. Now let's start. By starting here, we have 2x plus 3y, which is in the bracket. We are going to take these 2 and then multiply the inside to multiply by x and y. So we have 2x plus 3y minus 3 4x minus 2. So this number, we take these 2 times here again and here also. 2 times x is equal to 2x plus 2 times 3y is equal to 6y. And then here we have this minus 3 is going to multiply here and here again. Now here we have 3x minus 3 then times 4x is equal to minus 12x. And then here we have minus 3 times minus 4 is to get positive 6. Now let us solve. We have 2x. We're going to put this one number which have same variables together. We have 2x minus 12x then plus 6y plus 6. Now we have 2x then plus minus 12x is equal to 10x plus 6y plus 6. This is the first question. So second question is factorize completely. Now we have 3x squared minus 27. We are going to factorize this number completely. Now we have 3 bracket of x squared minus 9. Now here we have 3 bracket of, here we have this number, we are going to factorize it again completely. Here we have x minus 3 x plus 3. Because here we have x minus 9, we have a number which is we have a formula which says that a squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b a plus b. That's why I said that, to mean that here we have x minus 3 x plus 3. That is question number 2. The question 3 is to solve the quadratic equation, which is 2x squared plus x minus 3, which is equal to 0. Now this is what we call quadratic equation. In solving quadratic equation, you have the formula which is ax squared plus bx plus c, which is equal to 0. To mean that here we have 1x. So in solving quadratic equation, we use this formula: product of a times c and summation and sum. If you have a times c, we will get equal to minus 6. to mean that we have to find two numbers which can multiply to get minus 6, and summation is equal to 1. We have it here. If you take this number times this number, you get minus 6, and their summation is equal to 1. So to mean that if we take this number if you take number minus 2 times minus 3 plus 3 is equal to minus 6. Summation is equal to minus 2 plus 3 is equal to 1. So we take this number. Now let us continue here. We take 2x squared, then we are going to use this number minus 2x plus 3x minus 3 is equal to 0, because this one is in charge of this number plus x. So have 2x minus 2x, here we have squared, bracket of positive 3x minus 3 bracket equal to 0. Now let us factorize 2x to get x minus 1, and here we're going to factorize plus 3 to get x minus 1 equal to 0. Now you're going to put together this number which is outside of the bracket, 2x plus 3 and x minus 1 which is equal to 0. Now we are going to solve each equation we have here. 2x plus 3 is equal to 0, to mean that 2x will be equal to minus 3, and then x will be equal to minus 3 over 2. This is the x1. x2 will be equal to x minus 1 which is equal to 0, to mean that x will be equal to positive 1. So to mean that solution is equal to x to x be equal to minus and 1.